How to make pickles! A delicious recipe for pickle lovers, really easy to make at home, and great as appetizer or for parties with friends. We will need 400 ml of water, 200 ml of vinegar, a half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar and some peppercorns. We can make it with different types of vegetables. I will use carrot, radish, broccoli, French onion and garlic. First, we mix the water, the vinegar, the salt and the sugar and we start to cook. When the water starts to boil, we are going to scald the vegetables for a few seconds. Then we transfer them to cold water with ice cubes to stop the cooking process. We repeat the process with all the vegetables. This is for killing potential microbes. After a couple of minutes, we strain them. Not the microbes, I mean the vegetables. Using a jar, we place them in a decorative or artistic way, but it's not really necessary. You can also add them in a crazy way or randomly. We pour in the liquid that we use to simmer the vegetables and cover. This recipe has to rest for at least 1 day. If you use garlic, it needs more time, like 2 or 3 days. Otherwise, it will have a very anti-vampire flavor. It is a very soft pickle, even if you don't like vinegar that much. And the best part is these pickles have a long preservation time. I tried a month after making it and they are perfect. If you like these pickles, give me a like and leave a comment telling me which vegetables you are going to use. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.